In this video, I will compare Trust Wallet and Phantom Wallet, two popular crypto wallets, to help you decide which one suits your needs the best. And I've been using both of these wallets, Phantom Wallet and Trust Wallet, for the last 2 years right now, so I think I can tell you everything that you need to know to make a decision on the two of these or just to gather information. And I've divided this video into certain subjects, so I will cover the following. So I will start with the platform overview, and after I will talk about the security and control, the fees and costs, the features and use cases, best for, and the final verdict. So please stay until the end to consume all the information that you need. And let's dive into the video right now. So let's talk about Trust Wallet. And Trust Wallet is a multi-chain, non-custodial mobile wallet owned by Binance, supporting thousands of cryptocurrencies and DeFi applications. Phantom Wallet, on the other hand, is a Solana-focused non-custodial wallet designed for seamless interaction with Solana-based tokens, NFTs, and dApps. And what about the security and control? Well, Phantom Wallet is also non-custodial. It's offering private key control and built-in phishing protection, along with biometric security for mobile users. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, provides full control over private keys. Two-factor authentication is unavailable, but users can secure their wallet with a recovery phrase. What about the fees and costs? Well, Trust Wallet, the app itself, is free to use, but network transaction fees apply based on the blockchain used. Token swaps may also include additional fees. A Phantom Wallet is free to download and use, with network fees applying as well, only to transactions on the Solana blockchain, typically very low. What about the features and use cases? Well, Phantom Wallet is optimized for the Solana ecosystem with fast transactions, NFT management, staking, and seamless DeFi access. And Trust Wallet supports multiple blockchains, DeFi staking, in-app token swaps, and a Web3 browser for interacting with dApps. And I would say that Trust Wallet is best for users who want a multi-chain wallet with extensive asset support and DeFi capabilities. And Phantom Wallet is best for Solana users looking for a specialized wallet with advanced Solana NFT and staking features. And I would say choose Trust Wallet for a broader blockchain support and multi-asset management, and pick Phantom Wallet if you're deeply involved in the Solana ecosystem. So which one do you prefer and which one do you use? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.